What's up guys, I'm watching another video. You tired? Me and David are on like 4 hours of sleep. I don't even know. Oh, let's go in here. Super freaking tired, bro. Last night we didn't go to sleep till, well, this morning we didn't go to sleep till 7 a.m. bro. But we made it here to SEMA day 2. Well, day 2 for us, but it's actually the last day of SEMA. So we gotta try to see everything before it's over and it's all gone. So today's agenda, I wanna see all TJ Hunt's cars. I want to see the Valtronic booth, see Austin. I want to see the homie Chris's car. Anyways, let's check out some of the cool cars. There's so many today. Damn, first car we see is a E30 M3 with the crazy. Every car here is mint, bro. Like just so clean, too clean, bro. Like my 350, yeah. My 350 would park in the back alley, probably. I would not bring that shit in here. Damn, bro. Oh, I think TJ Hunt's car's over here at the Magnaphobe. So we're gonna look at that. The cars here are crazy, guys, like insane. But guys, ever since we've been to Vegas, we've been like non-stop doing stuff. Yesterday, we went to a car meet, we went to SEMA, we did so much stuff. So, and today's gonna be another packed freaking day. After SEMA, there's a huge Origin car meet tonight. That's gonna be lit, so stay tuned for that. The boats, the Dodge boats.
What's going on?
They got a boat sale, every make and model boat. Oh, I've seen this Tesla before. Bro, they put an LS engine in a Tesla, look at it. Oh my god, and it's stick shift, bro. Look at this, guys. I knew it. It's the same one from last year. Stick shift Tesla with an LS in it. That's crazy. This new 400Z, wow, that thing is beautiful, bro. Look at this, guys. The new Z TJ Hunt's with this new wide body kit. See, we saw this car at Cars and Coffee, me and Hugo, but it was stock. Oh, this shit's so beautiful, bro. We saw this car when it was green and it was stock at Cars and Coffee. And I told Hugo, once it's wide body, I bet she's gonna look crazy. And it definitely does, bro. It looks way better wide body. It's just so clean. Bro, these cars are just, they look so mint, bro. Look, they look brand new. It's insane. And the lighting too and everything, but still like, these cars look so shiny in here and like clean. This is obviously his BRZ. Same as the homie Chris's. We gotta go find Chris's car right now, but we saw the green one yesterday, and Chris and this one, they all have the same wide body kits. I feel like TJ always runs the fat, meaty tire setup, which looks pretty sick, honestly. That shit's hard. Damn, big ass wing.
Chris has like more of a stance setup.
Yeah, stance. This looks like a little track. That's what I was about to ask you. Like, Chris's or his better?
I think Chris looks better.
Chris's looks hard, bro. Even when we saw the green one yesterday, I was like, I think Chris's looks better. Old school Mustang. Damn, 2 twin turbos. That shit is crazy. These builds are insane, bro. Like, what the heck? Look at carbon fiber roof. That's crazy. That's true. Like, it has paddles, bro.
No, where has paddles?
Look, guys, a Z. This one's crazy. Yeah, this is an LS. If I were to keep my Z for a long time, that's probably something I would do. Throw an LS in it. That would be sick, bro. That'll probably be so much fun too, and obviously sound crazy. Full race car, bro. That's a drift car for sure. Put a Pro Charger on it? Excuse me, sir. Can I get an exhaust? No. Austin looks so dead, bro. Guys, look, the Valtronic booth. That's so sick. They got Alex Choi's Audi out here. All their exhausts. What is this for? Aventador.
I'll give you like 3 guesses.
Aventador.
Yes.
I know, bro. That's my dream car. I'm gonna buy one of these one day.
You should buy this, yeah.
Should I buy the exhaust first? And then,
yes.
So I have
to get the car.
I have to get the Aventador. Oh, that one's gold too? Yeah. Everyone got the gold exhaust. If you guys remember, we got the gold exhaust from a GTR from Valtronic too. Here B, huh? Today's the last day of SEMA, guys, so everyone's super tired. Guys, look at the G80 here. They have a full titanium exhaust on this one. It looks crazy, bro. That is a badass exhaust. It matches the car. This one's pretty clean. There's so many BRZs. Bro, look at this Corvette. Look at the tires on this shit. Holy crap, he has 2 parachutes. Those tires are probably double of my GTR, bro. This is crazy. David, look at the engine, bro. Those are the biggest tires I've ever seen in my life, bro. Like, that is insane. How fast do you think that shit is?
I don't know.
What the fuck is this? Do you guys like this one? David likes this one right here, guys. Oh yeah, I like this one too, David. I like that one too. I like your thinking, David.
I like that one, bro.
You think the viewers like your thinking?
Look at this shit,
bro. Oh, I think this one has the turbos on the other side. Let's go look at it. Crazy. Look at this R8, guys. 2 parachutes too. It has to be fast, right? I don't even know what I'm looking at, but that shit does not look stock. And you got a roll cage in here.
Bro, it's a brand new car that they did all this to, bro.
Yeah, this is insane, bro. They really did this to a freaking R8. Look at this, guys. I seen this on Instagram. Bro, that is crazy. Imagine driving your R8 like that. Bro, what is David doing, bro? This was a mess right now. I'm about to get kicked out of SEMA. Look at this thing, guys. S15. Actually, the S15 front end, but still, bro, this shit's sick. Damn. Angle kit for sure. It's for sure a drift car. It's another Formula drift car. There's a lot of Formula D cars. Look how it opens, look. Damn, what is that, bro? This thing is sick. It's the legit car that they drift. It's all beat up, look at it. But it's still clean. Big ass. Is that Pro Charger? Right? That's just huge, bro.
I'm thinking about putting a 426 Hemi in my Beamer, an F80. I don't know what you guys think.
Alice 427? Or do you want a 426?
No, I think what I want to do on Tuesday.
You're so stupid. This is the new Hoonigan car. God damn, look how wide this shit is, bro. That is insane. It's Ken Block's new Porsche. Oh, look at that lip. How do you not break that? No, I think it's one of those like Canyon cars, like those racing. I don't know. Oh my god, look at the turbos on that shit. Look at the interior on this thing. One seat only. Shit looks like a video game, bro. It doesn't even like. Imagine actually driving this. Damn, look at this R32. Yeah, it's R32. Bro, why does it look so clean?
It looks like this. Looks like the 350.
Yeah? Bro, look at his engine bay, how clean this. Bro, the whole car is like beautiful. You literally could lick his engine bay, bro. You could lick his engine bay. That's how clean it is. Wow, this thing is
Would you eat
sick,
like a steak
bro.
on top of that?
Yeah, let's eat a steak, bro. You like this one? David's a Mustang, guys. I don't know if you guys, a Mustang guy. I don't know if you guys knew that or not. Wow, this is like one of the cleanest R32s I've ever seen. 100%, bro. Bro, there's no way that they make a convertible Hellcat now. No way, bro. It just looks weird. Like, now for real, it looks like a boat.
You wouldn't get that? You wouldn't get that?
No, bro. What is this? This is the electric one, huh?
Bro, this shit.
Now this is sick. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
I would probably want to top
Look, you can put your homies in the back seat.
Bro, there's no way. That shit's sick.
And it's electric, I think. Bro, this thing is sick. Look at the tires on this shit. Is it fast? I've never looked into these cars, but it looks like a futuristic Hellcat, pretty much. Tight. David, grab these, bro. Grab them, grab them, grab them.
How much do you think?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
How much do you think? How much do you think?
I don't know. BBSs are so clean, guys. These are my dream wheels. One day I'll own a pair of BBSs. That is like the imagine that on your F80 right
I really
now.
like the wheel.
You're tripping, bro.
I'll show you what's going
Those
on.
are sick. Those are the ones that are on Am's car. This is Ken Block's freaking Mustang, bro, from Jim Connor. Look at the exhaust on this thing. Look at the front exhaust, bro.
What's crazy what you do?
I know, and this thing's 4-wheel drive too. 12 exhaust tips on the shit.
All-wheel drive?
All-wheel drive with 12 exhaust tips and 2 turbos. God damn, this car would be fun to drive, bro. Alright guys, this is the booth that I wanted to see this whole time. This is literally the reason why I wanted to come. They always have the sickest cars in this booth. You guys are about to see right now. It's actually the Toyo Tires booth. And watch, you guys will see. Literally the sickest cars in the show are probably right here. I heard there's an RX-7 with the Pagani Zonda engine, bro. Who does that? Who even thought of that, bro? Who has the money to even think of that? This is clean. Look at the little screen.
Hard.
I can see David whipping that, bro. Oh, we need some of that after last night. This dude has money just chilling. How much money do you think's here? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like 100K. Look at the interior on this thing, bro. This looks like it's literally like a piece of art. Yes, for sure. HREs. This car is probably worth so much, bro. Guys, look at this R32. Oh my gosh, full carbon fiber. I'm pretty sure it was here last year, all carbon fiber. But now they put like a paint on top, like midnight purple. So you get like best of both worlds, guys. You get the full carbon fiber, and you also get midnight purple GTR paint, which is crazy. Like literally every body panel on this car is carbon fiber, bro. Everything, the roof, the seats, the back seats. Look at the back seats. I don't know, these seats are insane, bro. What the heck? This car is insane, bro. Look at this. And look at the turbo, guys.
They're repping from Wisconsin.
Me and David have been sitting here for like the past 5 minutes just staring at it. It's one of the most beautiful R32s ever, bro. All carbon fiber. Japanese. Look at that, bro. Wow. It's like literally the most beautiful R32 ever. I'd be scared to legit drive this car and something happened to it, or a rock chip, or someone hits you on accident. Like, oh my God. You guys know I like this. Wow, bro. It's freaking a red E36, but the most beautiful E36 build ever. It's just like mine, but it's like immaculate condition. Like, look at this, bro. Crazy wide body kit. I don't know what kit this is, but it's the same one as the white one we saw yesterday.
That shit has no scratches on any of that.
It's so perfect. Wow, bro. I really missed mine. I really sold mine, and it was the same color too.
Bro, if anything, you could just fuck it on and just put like a kit on it, like right now.
Oh, he started it. Look at the wing on this thing. So sick, bro. That shit sounds nice too. Super nice. She sounds good, bro. Like healthy.
Yeah, like she has like
all these cars are mint, bro. Like you said. Like, look at the headlights. They have not a single scratch on this car. Like, that sounds good too. Sheesh, that thing's sick. Told you, bro, the Toyo booth has the sickest cars, dude. Look at the Performante over there. I hear it start up too, has twin turbos for sure. 2JZ, no shit. Thing's sick. That's crazy. Look at this plate. 2JZ. Yup. I think they're in there. I see them. Damn, look at that color, bro. Wow, that looks sick in the sun. Bro, it's like the sun's hitting it perfect right now. I can't even say anything, bro. They're just so nice. Like, what is that, bro? Look at the interior on that shit. Bro, the interior on this thing is crazy. What the heck, bro? Oh my God, it's so sick. Look at the sun. Oh, that car is fucking sick, bro.
Literally, that's car that you needed to see.
Literally, bro. I think we found all the cars that I wanted to see today. This is the homie Chris's car. I think it was in one of my last vlogs. If I do throw that footage in, I don't even know. I have so much to edit. New BRZ, wide body, same body kit as TJ Hunt's as earlier that we saw. And yeah, I actually do like his better, I think, huh? I love his setup, bro. It's really, really clean. They put a V10 in an E30, bro. That is insane. This is probably fast too. These shit sound like Lambos, literally. It's crazy, bro. So sick too.
Look how clean it is.
These cars at SEMA, guys, just make our cars look so ugly, bro. It makes me feel like my car's clapped out. These cars are just mint. Guys, this Supra is literally my color on my GTR. That's crazy. I haven't really seen it much on other cars. This dude really has my color. Why does his look more fresh than mine? The color look more vibrant than mine. Carbon fiber wheels, bro. My boy got carbon fiber wheels, bro. What? Adam Ozzy's other, I think this is his practice car and the other one's his race car. I don't know. They look almost identical. Look at all these Mustangs. It's sick. This car is crazy and it has 4 bucket seats.
Low-key, at first I thought it was the new NSX.
Yeah, I think it's like an Altima, but they put an R35 motor in it. It's fully built, twin turbos. Look at that, bro. This is the sickest family car. Look at it. You can take all your homies drifting. That's what they use it for, to give everyone rides, drifting. This car is sick, bro. And they were doing ride-alongs the other day and we missed it, bro. I wish I did that. I just gotta see a little bit of drifting. Oh my God. God damn, she's not sick. Damn, this Aventador is crazy. That might be the same color as Chris, huh?
Yeah, I think it is. Sure.
Of course, the V12 just sounds so good, bro. I'll never get over this car. Like, I want it so bad, bro. It sounds so good. It's the only car I want, guys. Guys, look how big these freaking trucks are, bro. Look at that fool. How's he gonna get in? No way, bro. These trucks are huge, bro. David, stand by this one, bro. God damn. Beautiful. That's some futuristic shit right there.
We got to figure that out. Magic.
Shit crazy. TJ's RX-7. That shit looks crazy. That body kit. Shit's so sick. Everyone's already packing up. Everyone's literally going home. But it looks clean.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.